Hi, it's Marieta, founder of ImmigrationBiz. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I want to give you 2 tips how to speed up your E2 visa case. Coming up. Alright, so before I dive deeper, I do want to ask you to subscribe, especially if you are new to my channel. Welcome, hit that bell notification button so you are notified every time I release new content. So let's talk about it. Today's topic is 2 ways how to speed up your E2 visa case processing. So in this video, I'm going to talk about processing within the United States through USCIS. In my next video, I will actually discuss how to actually schedule emergency appointment at the US Embassy and who can schedule it. So you definitely want to stay tuned. So let's make it happen. 2 ways to speed up your E2 visa case. Why am I talking about E2 visa? I personally focus on serving mainly E2 investors. However, this might apply also to different visa types, so don't take it literally, but let's focus on E2 visa. Step number 1 is to actually choose premium processing. So the premium processing is the opportunity to process your case within 15 calendar days, and current fee is $1,440 and you can certainly pay for premium processing if you want your case to be decided within 15 calendar days. Now, in my previous video last week, I was talking about the emergency bill that is suggesting the increase of the premium processing from 1,440 to 2,500. So if you are interested, you can check out the video and it's going to explain more information. Now, the second option is in order to speed up your case, is to actually make expedite request. So what is this expedite request? Well, USCIS might consider an expedite request if you meet one of the following criteria. Number 1, you need to show severe financial loss to your company or person, provided that the need for urgent action is not the result of the petitioner's application failure to, number 1, file the benefit request or the expedite request in a reasonable time. Number 2, respond to any request for additional evidence in a reasonable, timely manner. So obviously you shouldn't be in these 2 categories, but if you are, for example, able to document severe financial loss to your company or to a person, then you might be able to actually apply for expedite request. Now you have to also understand, guys, that USCIS obviously have the full discretion over these cases, so just because there is opportunity like that doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to be approved, but there is opportunity like that for you. Also, if you're able to demonstrate urgent humanitarian reasons, you might apply for such request. Compelling US government interest, you might apply for such request, or if you are able to show clear USCIS error. So basically, these would be 2 ways to speed up your investor visa case. Obviously, you need to submit relevant evidence, guys, especially if you want to go this way. And I don't recommend to just experiment with this in terms of, just because you're not patient, just because you don't know way, you just want to hack it, I don't recommend it. However, if you have substantial evidence, if you're able to demonstrate by your strong evidence that this is the case, then you certainly might do so. Now, in my next video, I will definitely talk about ways to actually expedite or speed up your case outside of the United States, which is through the US consulate. And in that case, you definitely want to stick around and stay tuned for my upcoming video, because I will be talking about who can actually apply for this expedite processing, in other words, emergency appointment through the US consulate, and also what's the process like. So I'm going to break down step by step for you what you need to do in order to do that, because many of you E2 investors are actually outside of the United States. You are not necessarily within the United States, and so in that case you definitely want to check out that video. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Again, if you're new, make sure to subscribe. If you do like this video, like it and share it with people who might need this information, and stay tuned for my next video. See you soon.